Hello, this Excel video tip today is going to be on the AND function. The AND function is a logical function that tests a number of user-defined conditions, and it will return true if all the conditions are true. So they all have to be true in order for it to return true. So to help us illustrate that, I've pulled together just some mock-up data for some configurations that you might have in an option of something that you're looking to buy. So the different configurations are color, shape, and size. Color has three options, blue, red, and yellow. Shape has three options, round, square, and triangle. And size has three options, small, medium, and large. And I've determined that I'm looking for the best configuration, which is a red, square, large widget. And so I've got 11 options to choose from here. And I want to be able, through a formula, be able to tell if that option has the best configuration. So to help me with that, I'm going to use the AND function. So to use the AND function in the cell where I want that result to be, I'm just going to type equals and open my parentheses, and you'll see it's looking for logical 1, logical 2, and so forth. You have to have at least one logical condition, but you can have numerous. So my first condition is I want to check what's in cell C7 and see if it matches my best configuration. So I'm going to click on C7 equals my best configuration, which is H2, and I'm going to lock H2 so I can drag this down because my best configuration is always going to be in H2. And so that's my logical one. I want to check this cell against that cell. And I'm going to do a comma, my logical 2. I'm going to check the shape. So this cell equals that cell. I'm going to lock my best configuration. And then logical 3 would be that. And E7 equals large. And again, I'll lock the best configuration with that double dollar sign. So do that by hitting the F4, which locks that reference. So when I drag, it's always going to stay J2. Then I'm going to close my parentheses. And it returns false because yellow round medium is not red square large. And since I've locked these, as I drag it down, you'll see that the C7 becomes a C8, but the H2 stayed the same. And if I'm just looking through here, you'll notice that option 7 actually meets my criteria. So I should get, and I'll highlight it, I should get in this cell a true. And I do. So if all of the conditions are met, it'll return a true. If any one of them fail, it'll return a false. It's just a way that you can check for different conditions. There's a lot of different operations here. Typically, this could be used in conjunction with an AND function. So, with an if function. So I could nest this within side so I could check multiple things within the if function. But again, with the AND function, all of the conditions have to be true. And then it will return true. If any one of them fail, it will return false. And that's today's Excel video tip. Have a great day.